We want to find f of x if the following situations occur. So let's look at A. So we've got that f dashed x is x squared plus x plus 1 over root x, which of course is x to the half. And then f of x is 0 when x is 4. So we need to tidy this. Now you can do that by bringing this up here as x to the negative half and expanding, or by splitting the fraction. I'm going to split the fraction. That's x to the 1, remember. So that's going to be, subtract the indices, x to the 3 over 2. This one's going to be x to the half, and this one will be x to the negative a half. So if we want f of x, that's going to be the integral of those things. So, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. Now dividing by 5 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 5. This would go up to 3 over 2. Same thing, dividing by 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. So that would be 3. And then for this last one, that would be x to the half over a half, which is the same as 2x to the half. And don't forget the constant. Then we have the information. So I might just tidy this actually. So x to the 5 over 2, that's x to the 2.5 if we think about it. So that's the same as having x squared times x to the half. So that's going to be 2x squared root x over 5. Then for x to the 3 over 2, that's 1.5. So that one's going to be 2x root x over 3. And then we've got 2 root x plus the constant. So f of x is 0 when x is 4. So if x is 4, that means that root x is 2. So this one would be 16 times 2. So that's going to be 32 times 2, 64 over 5. Then, so this would be 2 and 4, 8. So that's going to be 16 over 3. And then root 4 is 2, so that would be plus 4 plus a constant. So I think we need a common denominator here of 15. 64 times 3 is 192. 16 times 5 is 80. And 4 times 15 is 60. So 192, add 140. So 9 and 4 is 13. So that's going to be 332. And that means the constant must be equal to negative 332 over 15. So we have that f of x is 2x squared root x over 5 plus 2x root x over 3 plus 2 root x, take away 332 over 15. Now in part B, we have that f dashed x is cos 2x plus pi by 6, f of x is 3 when x is 0. So f of x is going to be the integral of cos 2x plus pi by 6 dx. Now, from the pattern, cos integrates to sine, so that's going to be sine. The argument never ever changes, and then we need to divide by the differential at the inside using reverse chain. Add a constant. Now f of x is 3 when x is 0, so that would become sine of pi by 6 over 2 plus a constant. Now sine pi by 6 is a half. Half divided by 2 is a quarter, so 3 is going to be a quarter plus c. So c must be 2 3/4, which usually would give us an improper fraction, so that's 11 over 4. So here we can say that f of x is going to be a half sine 2x plus pi by 6, add 11 over 4.